Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mazda CX-5 versus the Toyota RAV4. We'll dive into their core attributes, helping you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll explore everything from driving dynamics to interior comfort and safety features, giving you a clear picture of what each vehicle brings to the table. When it comes to performance, the CX-5 often provides a more athletic and refined driving experience, with precise steering and responsive handling. The RAV4, however, typically excels in fuel economy, especially with its hybrid options, making it a great choice for efficiency-minded drivers. Both offer capable engines for everyday commutes and weekend adventures. Inside, the Mazda CX-5 often presents a more upscale cabin with higher quality materials and a sophisticated layout, giving it a near-luxury feel. The Toyota RAV4 prioritizes practicality, offering generous cargo capacity and a more rugged, utilitarian design. Both SUVs come equipped with modern infotainment screens and essential connectivity features for your convenience. Regarding safety, both the CX-5 and RAV4 consistently earn top marks in crash tests and offer a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Your final decision will likely hinge on whether you prioritize the CX-5 engaging drive and premium feel, or the RAV4 robust utility and fuel efficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.